Some weather-related updates now. First up from India's hill state of Uttarakhand, where heavy rainfall is expected today, with Met Department issuing orange alert for 7 districts of the state. All schools will remain closed on Tuesday in Dehradun, Pauri, Tehri, Nainital, Champawat, Udham Singh Nagar and Bageshwar districts. This applies to all educational institutions from class 1 to 12th, including Anganwadi centers. In view of the heavy rain warning, holiday orders have been issued in these 8 districts of the state. District administrations have been put on high alert, with disaster response teams and local authorities monitoring the situation closely. Well, continuous heavy rainfall in another hilly state of Himachal Pradesh is also expected today, with several districts on high alert as rivers and streams across the state swell dangerously. And for the current weather situation, we are joined in by Muskan Chaudhary. Well, Muskan, tell us about the problems being faced by the locals and tourists, especially if you talk about Shimla, and how prepared are the authorities to handle the escalating risk of flash floods, landslides, especially as there has been a forecast of more intense rainfall in the coming days.
Lepakshi state is experiencing rainfall since last night, and this monsoon season has created a havoc across the state and crippling the daily life. And talking about the current weather situation, the meteorological department has issued an orange alert of heavy rainfall in 3 districts for today, that is Una, Bilaspur and Kangra. And talking about the flood-like situation, the rivers and the stream across the state are currently overflowed, and the authority is advising people not to go near the water bodies, and the dams are overflowed and the water is being released from the dams continuously. Yesterday also the water was released from the Pandor Dam, and today also from Mandi, the Koil Dam, in Koil Dam the water is being released right now. So you can see the situation across the state is terrible. This monsoon season has taken more than 170 lives so far, and administration is advising people to follow the guidelines they are providing and to keep a check on a real-time weather condition and the road condition. And if you're traveling on national highways, they have advised people to stay alert and vigilant. If I'm talking about national highway, the Mandi National Highway, the Mandi-Manali National Highway is still closed in some stretches. The Mandi-Pathankot road is still closed. And across the state, more than 200 roads are still closed due to the landslide and the cloudburst situation.
All right, Muskan, thank you so much for all those details from Shimla.